friends, it's Vishali. I hope you all are safe and healthy. So guys, I'm back with the DIYs videos after a long time, and I really hope you guys found my ideas amazing and helpful. So guys, before watching the video, please do subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon, hit the like button. Yeah, now let's move on to the video. For the first one, take a craft paper and just follow my steps. One thing you have to remember, use only thin papers like origami papers or craft papers. Watch this step carefully. Once again I repeat. Now take a cardboard of any size and shape of tetrahedron. Apply Fevicol on it and paste your paper crafts. Repeat the same process until cardboard covers with the paper crafts, following the same process. That's it guys. This art gives an amazing 3D effect and looks stunning on your wall. I absolutely loved it. For the second one, you will need an art canvas. Now make a random design of mandala on it to make the borders by using black markers. It's really very simple. One more thing guys, I had bought this canvas from Amazon. So if you guys want to buy, link is in the description box. So that's how it looks after completing. Now just simply write your favorite quote on it. I write just a girl with goals in bold letters. You guys keep it in a study table as it will motivate you, or just hang on the wall by using double-sided tape. You can also make it colorful. That's it guys, absolutely looks beautiful. For the third DIY, you will need a rope and a Fevicol. Now just keep rolling as I am doing. Also guys, I bought this rope from Amazon. It's very cheap and amazing quality. Link is in the description box, so go and check out. And we are done. For the fourth one, you will need a craft paper or origami papers and just simple follow what I am doing. I know guys, it's not any type of DIYs, but it works as a decorative piece. You guys put into a candles or flowers or just play with it. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked and thanks for watching it. See you in the next video.